Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be showing you all how to connect your server to a terminal via SSH, any terminal of your choice. Right now on this video I'm going to be using an Ubuntu terminal. I'm going to be connecting my server, my Linux server, to an Ubuntu terminal. Same as even if you're on a MacBook, it's the same procedure. You just need to type in terminal at your search bar and your terminal will pop up and you follow the same procedure. Even if you're on a Linux operating system or any machine, it's the same procedure. So the very first thing you do, or I will do, is I'll do SSH root. I want to log in as a root user. That's the user type which you want to log in on. Add my IP address. My IP address here is 192.168.68.145.161. This is my IP address. At times it's very important if you can copy your IP address to save time and also to make sure, to be sure that it's accurate, it's the correct IP address. You can just copy it and paste it here. So after putting in your IP address, I'll hit enter. They ask for my password. I put in my password. Remember, you don't see your password when typing it. In most cases on the Linux operating system, you don't get to see your password for security reasons. You don't get to see your password. So I'll hit enter, and now I'm logged in. If I do ls, you can see I can do other things on my machine. I can cd2, let's say test. If I do list, you see I have my machine set up and everything is running perfectly. So I've successfully connected my server to a terminal, to an Ubuntu terminal, and it's good to go, ready for use. Welcome back. I'm sure you enjoyed the video you just watched right now. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that once I post more interesting videos like this one in the days ahead, which I'm about to post, you will be notified by YouTube and you quickly watch those videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. Drop a comment at the comment section, as your comment will help me to improve in my content creating aspects or skills. Thank you very much. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Please subscribe.